What's up? I'm Disaster Dog, and I'm here to give you some awesome tips on getting prepared for emergencies and disasters. So, let's hop to it. Today, we're talking about go kits. What's a go kit, you ask? It's the stuff you use every day that you put into a backpack or a suitcase or even a rolling bin so that you can quickly grab it and get out of there when you need to. So, let's get started. Okay, so we need to talk about what goes in your go kit. See what I did there? Let's start with my personal favorite. Food. You want to pack stuff that you don't have to cook since you could be without electricity or any way to cook. Things like protein bars, snacks, and MREs. MREs are awesome because they are pre-cooked and come with a heater to heat them up. Ooh, I love me some spaghetti. You will need about a gallon of water per person per day for drinking, washing, and hygiene. Next up, we have hygiene stuff. That's soap, shampoo, toothbrush, all the stuff that makes you presentable to everyone else. If you have any special things you need, make sure to have enough of them for a week or two. Then, you need all of your medical stuff. Things like pills, a first aid kit, doctor's contact info, and stuff like that. Take a 7 to 14-day supply of your medication just in case you have to stay away for a while and pharmacies aren't open yet. Make sure to remember things like a CPAP or oxygen. Can't do without those. Get all of your important papers together. Stuff like insurance info, house deed, or apartment rental agreement. Put them into a waterproof container like a Ziploc baggie to keep them safe if things get wet. And don't forget the babies! You need to bring enough diapers, formula, baby food, and other stuff for them. Kids get bored pretty quickly, so bring a game, coloring books, or something to read. Like my buds Bart and Arnie here, I can do some crazy things when I get bored. For the younger ones, bring a favorite stuffed animal to help comfort them and make it easier to cope with the big changes. If you have anyone living with you that is up there in dog years, like me, make sure you have supplies for them too. Stuff like their medication, special foods or drinks, and any walking assistance they need. Take the time to think of anything else you might need. Maybe someone has some special needs you need to remember. And hey, don't forget about me and all my pet buddies. We need our stuff too. Even if we get to go with you to a shelter, they don't normally have a cage for us to sleep in. That's on you. And you have to feed and water me with stuff you bring and take me for walks. Oh, and take my shot records. You may need them if I stay with you at the shelter or a boarding kennel. Blech. And please, please bring my favorite chew toy and treats. I know if I don't get my daily treat, I'm harumphing the rest of the day. Now that you have all of your stuff together, you need something to carry it in. Depending on how much you have, you can use a backpack, a small suitcase, or a rolling tote bin. Just remember, you may be hauling this thing around for a while, so don't make it too big. Keep your go kit somewhere that you can get to it quickly. And if you use some of the supplies, replace them soon. You never know when you will need them. I've got my go kit backpack on, and I'm ready for whatever comes my way. Get your go kit together and join me. Well, that about wraps it up for this tip. See you next time.